In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Personalization. Then you need to scroll down again and tap on My Fonts. Then hit Allow. Select this plus at the top right corner and download the best font for you. Hit Download, select Apply, and OK. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. To go back to the default one, go back to the same settings, and this time tap on Default. Then choose Apply, and OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!